Welcome to all. Today we are going to learn about introduction to Tally Prime. Tally Prime is called as a financial accounting package in which we can maintain both. Means first we can maintain cash flow, and second we can maintain goods flow of a business. Means we can maintain uh, like a transactions, like a purchases, sales, receipts, payments, purchase returns, sales return, deposits and withdrawals in our daily transactions in our business. Mr. Bharat Goenka developed an accounting software called The Accountant with no codes. Later, Bharat and his father S.S. Goenka started Piotronics Private Limited, Bangalore in the year 1986. After that, they were renamed a company as a Tally Solutions Private Limited in the year 1988. There are so many other accounting packages are available in the market like Wings, Profit, Mark, Vinaka, Deck Fact. Like there are so many accounting packages are available. Tally Prime is an ERP software. ERP means Enterprises Resource Planning accounting software used mainly in small and medium, even also in a large enterprises to record the day-to-day business data of the company and transaction of the company. Tally full form is transactions allowed in linear line yard. Transactions allowed in linear line yard. That is Tally. Tally releases are first Tally Prime 2.0.1, that is 2021 it is released. Tally Prime 2.0 is released in 2020. Tally ERP 9 releases in 2009. Tally 9 releases in 2006. Tally 8.1 releases in 2006. Tally 7.2 releases in 2005. Tally 6.3 releases in 2001. Tally 5.4 released in 1996. Tally 4.5 released in 1994. Tally 4 released in 1992. Tally 3.0 released in 1990. This is the history of the Tally. Next we are going to learn the methods of accounting in next classes. Thank you one and all. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.